Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. I know by the time you guys see this, Halloween is probably like just a few days away.
Happy Halloween!
But I couldn't resist. I did see this really cool photo on Pinterest of someone's take on the Cleopatra look. I'm popping it up on the screen here, and it is awesome. And I wanted to try my best to recreate it. I felt like I had the palettes that had those colors that I could create or try to create something as similar as possible. So yeah, if you guys are still in the last minute trying to decide what your costume's going to be type mindset, it's the final countdown. Hopefully you will find this video helpful. So yeah, if you want to see me go from this to this, yes, I am channeling Cleopatra vibes. I did have to improvise a bit. The story is told later in this video. I don't want to repeat it. But yeah, if you guys want to see this quick and easy last minute Halloween look that is channeling Cleopatra vibes, then stay tuned and watch the tutorial. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And for today's look, I'm actually going to be using my Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. I think I mentioned it before, I did get this pretty heavily discounted. Definitely keep your eye out for deals, especially with holidays coming up, because you can definitely score some pretty heavy discounts. Yeah, so I think it's a pretty good deal. So I'm going to first start off by packing Don't Care It at All. These are such clever names all over the lid. So I'm just going to be packing this on all over my lids, applying a generous amount because especially going above and beyond where my eye socket sinks in, because I'm going to be going in later with that gorgeous navy blue shade and kind of carving out a cut crease. So just packing it on all over the lid. I have a lot of lid space. And just to add some glitter to the look, I'm going to go in with my finger and go in with Fluent and Diamonds. I mentioned in a previous video, but I noticed that these glitter shades are a lot easier to apply with your finger as opposed to using a brush. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous navy shade called Set the Jewel Tone. And I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to use that color and start carving out a cut crease, but not necessarily like a total cut crease. I'm going to extend it to the length of about my eyebrows. This is just drawing the outline. After I get a good outline going, I'm going to take a brush and just shade in and pack on that blue shade. Now I'm going to take this shading brush and I want to really pack on this color in the area that I just carved out. now comes the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and take an eyeliner. I use a combination of Stila and Clinique, and I'm going to draw kind of like a kitten or like an extended wing, but I'm going to create that fun shape as you saw in the picture. And I'm going to bring it a little bit to the inner corners, extended to create a bit of a fox eye. I'm going to first rim the bottom lash line with this really pretty gold, so don't care it at all. And then I'm going to go in with Kohl Under Pressure, and I'm just going to rim the bottom as well. Not the whole way, just partially. And just to still highlight the brow bone, etc., I'm going to go in with Clutcher Pearls and just highlight the brow bone. So after that, I am going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. I'm going to use my Ardell Natural Lashes. Okay, so after I have popped on the falsies, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara using my Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof to the lower lashes. And then I'm pretty much nearly done with the look, so it's actually rather simple. It's just really eyeliner and cut crease focused. And now I'm going to go ahead and dust on some blush using my Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to use my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. Just pack on a good amount. So for the lips, I'm actually going to take my Too Faced Sweet Maple. I think this dark bronze shade really matches the look. And that pretty much finishes off the face. It's kind of disappointing, but I did order a wig, a bob wig that I think really matches this costume, but it got delayed and then eventually it got lost, so I now don't have a wig anymore. So I'm going to take some inspo from that picture I showed, and I'm just going to make do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first part my hair in the middle, and then I'm going to take a strand on this side and do the same on the other. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like a little twist braid. I'm splitting it into two and just twisting it. I'm going to make it rather tight. Just go down the length of my hair. Let me know if you guys ever have costumes, snafus, and what did you do to improvise? Okay, and then once I reach a good point, I'm just going to go ahead and take a clear elastic and just tie off the end. Okay, and now for the other side, just pretty much going to do the exact same thing. Split it into two, make it tight. Just go down the duration of my hair. Take an elastic, tie So I just went ahead and braided another set of, or did another set of these knotted braids. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I do have to improvise because, as I mentioned, my wig didn't come. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have a great Halloween and you don't have any costume snafus. But thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content from me. Bye!